So I live in a city, and I look at Google Maps to see if there's any kind of body of water. And when you know it, I saw this weird looking portion of water and I had to fish it. So I did, and here it goes. All right, look at this place. Seen this on the map. Look at it. Commercial buildings. Just surrounded by commercial buildings and maybe some houses here, but look at this. Look at this. What do we got here? Let me walk this way. But look at this body of water, and I am going down. Yeah, let's do it. I think I'm gonna go over here, cross these rocks down here. Look at this. What the hell is that? Yeah, let's do it. Somebody's fishing here. I see fishing line on the ground. Yeah. Pick your shit up, man. Very important. All right. Don't fall, dude. See little heads sticking up. I think those are... Oh, turtles. I knew it. Turtles. You think people get mad if I caught a turtle and I keep it? Yeah, I don't need a turtle. But I'm gonna go right here. All right, so this is gonna be my second time ever using a bait caster. And I don't know, dude. But let's embarrass myself, all right? Not too bad. Guess I gotta slow down. Ooh, that sucker's flashing. Wow. Check out the spinner bait. Not dope. So, I do have a clip swivel on here. And usually I don't tie it, but right now I want to do it. And if you guys say I'm wrong and I catch a fish, what's up with that, huh? All right, get out of there, get out of there. It's definitely flashing. Wow. Look like a natural with this bait caster, huh? Like I said, this is only my second time using this thing, or a bait caster, to tell you the truth. Bounce it off this, bounce it off that. I gotta practice my aim. Gosh. Come on, sucker. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Got you, don't I? Got you, don't I? Got you. Let's see what it is. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got. Look at this guy, huh? Look at this guy. Got you good, didn't I? Oh, nope, you don't do that. There you go. Look at that. Got him perfect in his lip. Got it with this guy right here. Not beautiful. Look at that. You okay, buddy? All right. That's a nice one. So they do got fish out here. Yeah, thank you. All right, back into the water you go, pal.
All right, here we go. Ooh, that was pretty good, man. As soon as this sucker hit the ground. So what that was, party people, that was my first fish ever on a bait caster. All right, what you just saw. And I dropped that sucker right in, right there, and boom, as soon as it landed, it hit. Pow! As soon as it hit the water, it hit. That was great, man. So I want to show you guys something. Look how weird this place is. Look at this view. Hopefully you guys see it, but look, there's stairs and there's a big old opening here. Look at this. So I'm gonna walk down here, actually on this right here. Let me walk down. I'm gonna fish straight ahead. Look at this, man. Can you see in there? Gotta be something in there, probably catfish though, huh? I can't stand catfish. This spinner bait, dude, you gotta love it, man. It's like the beginning of fall right now, and shoot right by a turtle. Don't want that. What do you think's in this little area, huh? What the freak, bro? Come on, something in there? Not yet. Clean you up and throw it back out there. Got 2 willows on the spinner. This is a 3/8. Sucker be flashing too, man. So this place is amazing. I caught 2 of them. Caught 2 of them. One jumped off the hook, but that big one, that was pretty good, man. I'm gonna go right over here. Look at this. It's like a bowl or something. Look at this. Isn't that amazing? Yep, I caught 2 of them, and this is a sump. And apparently there's a channel behind right there. But this is cool, man. I like it. I will definitely be back. Yes, sir.